airport. Automated weather observation 020 Zulu. Wind 220 at 12 knots. Peak gust 17 knots.
So we're going to try and land it on runway 2 on 30.
18 Celsius.
30 would be a 10 degree.
Say again?
30.
Yep.
The wind is from 220.
Right.
So it's going to be a tailwind?
No, crosswind. Left crosswind. Almost 90 degrees.
Almost a direct crosswind of almost a 14 knot crosswind.
All I would put in is the second notch.
I'm going to drop the left wing and then get us lined up.
Okay. Right rudder, right rudder.
Yes.
You got power in, I think.
No, I got like fully out.
Okay, let's go. Nope, no power. Leave it alone. Put it back like that.
Okay, so this is where we are crabbing.
Yeah.
Stay parallel.
Crabbing is keeping the, keeping the plane going into the wind. It's like a ground reference maneuver.
Right.
It's the same thing.
We seem to be encroaching into the runway now.
No, we're not. It looks like it because your nose is pointed over there. Our ground track, we're going out that way.
Okay.
Now, left aileron, right rudder. Right rudder, left aileron. Come on. Yep. Now you were slow getting that in.